Hello and welcome to Real Estate Ride Along.
That's 6. Wow, it's an even number.
I love it.
Right?
I cannot believe we've been so consistent.
I know.
We're at 6 hours. We're going to say that when we're at
Well,
1
this is season 1, and then we'll have season 2.
When does that change?
I don't know. We'll have to decide.
Oh, jeez.
It's like a Netflix series.
Oh, yeah. This is season 1.
I know.
How many episodes are usually in a season?
Well, Netflix is usually 10.
Oh, okay.
But, we could do an HBO Max 5 and, have like 15.
Okay. Well, we'll make that.
Yeah, we'll figure it. You guys will find out soon enough.
Anyhow, this is Mitchell Stelling.
Yes.
With
Oh
Rebecca.
my God, what
just
happened?
happened?
I don't know. This is annoying. Oh my God, we're back. All right. You know what? We're gonna keep this.
Let's
we just had a
going.
quick technical difficulty.
Yeah.
All right. And that's Shamika Fox with Fox Realty Group.
Yes, and we are today going to talk about the fact that the City Council of Santa Cruz has just voted 5-1 to approve the new downtown hotel that will be constructed at 324 Front Street. That is consisting of the Santa Cruz County Credit Union building.
Mm-hmm.
Is it the Santa Cruz
Yeah,
County Credit
I'm
Union?
pretty sure.
Santa Cruz County Credit Union building that was purchased, I believe, in 2001
Okay.
by a real estate developer, SCFS Ventures, out of New York, actually. And then Owen Lowry of Lowry Land Use here in Santa Cruz. And then the vote on the, what day was that? Tuesday? It's the 26th?
Yeah, I think you're right. This earlier this week.
This week.
2 days ago.
Allowed for the developers to purchase those 2 empty lots that are city owned.
Yep.
That will be fronting the San Lorenzo River. And the approval vote was 5-1.
Slide.
And so I'm actually really excited.
I am stoked.
I mean, looking at those pictures of
know.
what the hotel is going to
Wow.
be, a 232 room hotel with shop, cafe, restaurant, bar, 3 pools on the roof, banquet hall, conference space. And then I think it's really going to make that downtown area on the levee, the San Lorenzo River levee, just a nicer area to
I
go and
think so
hang
too.
out.
I think so too. And think about it, like if someone wanted to stay downtown Santa Cruz, there's not really that many options for lodging.
No, really not.
Like the Dream Inn, that's not really
It's not
downtown.
downtown. It's on West Cliff.
To that, scale of, it's a more luxurious hotel
Yeah.
than what I understand. So
Yeah.
I'm excited.
It looks
And they have a pool, I think, too.
3 pools on top is what I read. It looks really beautiful.
Yeah.
The development across the street that I was under the impression that was going to be condos for sale is not. Those are available now if you want to lease a unit, and they will be available to move in June. And I cannot remember the name of that development. Should I look really quickly?
Yeah, let's look. Why not? This is real life.
Okay.
And you're in the car. I'm driving. So.
Downtown.
Downtown.
Oh, I think it was.
And which ones are we talking about? The ones over by 515?
No, the ones right across this right here.
Oh, like the ones where they talk about.
Yeah, exactly.
The good old tea bag.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're live.
So those are at least, I like this. This is like real talk now.
Okay, you talk while I look.
Well, I'm going to be driving. I'm really excited about this new hotel. I have a question for you though while you're looking at it. I'm going to disrupt you. You said those are for lease only?
That's what I read.
Got it. Okay. Interesting. So we'll see if that changes where you could potentially purchase them at a later date, but for now, lease.
Yeah.
I think it's just about done though.
Yeah.
From what I saw, I drove past it the other day. So that will be very interesting, you guys.
It is across across Front Street, the 6-story Pacific Front Laurel housing project is starting to be leased and ready for occupancy in June.
June. Okay.
Pacific Front Laurel housing project.
Got it.
Is what it's
Pacific
called.
Front Laurel Housing Project.
Yeah, and so if you are looking for a rental,
Mhm.
if you are looking to lease a unit downtown Santa Cruz, maybe you're going to be starting UCSC. I don't know. Maybe your kids are starting UCSC, but it would be, in my opinion, a real nice benefit for that location. And then also, who doesn't want to live in a brand new spot?
It's gonna be nice.
Yeah. So check that out. If you have any questions about it, you know that you can call us and we'll just look at our phone.
Exactly. We'll pull it up for you. We have all the information you ever need right here. I'll say Google.
Yeah, but the interesting thing, oh, you go ahead. What were you gonna say?
Well, I wonder if there's a way we could tour it.
I'm sure we can have it just to call. Can you do
Yeah,
that?
let's do it.
Okay,
Yeah.
call. And we
I will.
can get some information.
Not have to call and drive you around.
Yeah.
Jeez, well, please. All right.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Continue.
Okay.
Yes.
The interesting thing too that I thought was that the developer agreement highlights note that $5.17 million is going to be allocated for low cost accommodations somewhere else in the county. And that is going to be paid for by the development group. What else?
Yes, that was exciting.
Oh wait, no, excuse me. I feel like we need to start over.
Do we?
I don't know.
I feel like I like it. I feel like it's raw.
Okay, it is raw.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Excuse for everyone.
$5.17 million for low cost accommodations
Okay.
is going to be allocated for somewhere else in the county, and it's required for the hotel to contribute $230,000 to Affordable Housing Trust Fund.
Got it.
So even though this big, beautiful new hotel is going to be developed in downtown Santa Cruz, part of the development deal is that the developers have to contribute to our low income housing fund so that we can continue to build affordable housing for those in our county that need low income or affordable housing.
Yeah, fair enough.
Options.
Okay,
Yeah.
I get that.
Yeah.
And that's not you said 230,000?
Requirement for the hotel to contribute 230 to affordable housing funds, and I believe the developer has to contribute 5.17 million for low cost accommodations
Got it.
somewhere else in the county.
Okay.
Yeah.
Interesting. Well, that's kind of cool. That also, I mean, it benefits us with the new hotel, but also benefits the lower income housing situation.
Yeah.
It's a big situation.
Yes, exactly.
So,
And then also it says consideration of setting aside a portion of the hotel's transient occupancy tax will be allocated as well for affordable housing programs.
so
So it sounds like this is going to be beautiful. It's going to be a great attraction for people who are coming to visit Santa Cruz. And then they're also going to be putting back into our community for affordable housing.
it's going to bring more money to Santa Cruz.
Yeah.
That's really what I'm hearing.
Yes,
the
more money
wealthier
and more
for-
jobs. So I think they're going to be hiring like 130 employees for that
Oh,
hotel.
I know I'm going to be there.
Or are you going to be
Not an
working
employee,
there?
but just I mean, hopefully not an employee. Nothing wrong with that. I take that back. But we gotta have.
Yeah, but you're not changing jobs because we need to.
No, I'm going to continue writing loans, but
Yeah.
I might write the loans at the pool of this hotel when it opens.
That would be bad.
I know.
Yeah.
Hey there.
Hey,
All right. What else is going on? Should we fill us in?
I think those were the big main
Yeah. Talking points.
talking points that I wanted to go over.
Love it. Well, I'm excited for this. I think this is gonna bring some more polishness to downtown Santa Cruz, if that makes sense.
Yeah, it's going to clean it up a bit,
I
I
think
would
so
say.
too. It's
But-
going to be a little bit more upper scale in that area, and hopefully, like you mentioned earlier, along the San Lorenzo River. That's
Also, like Santa Cruz downtown since COVID has really, in my opinion, been a little less desirable to go and frequent the stores and the restaurants. And I think just breathing new light, new business, a new beautiful hotel into the area is going to start attracting back the people that used to come here and love going downtown and going shopping and supporting our small local industries and our restaurant industries, and really like breathing light and commerce back into the local economy here in Santa Cruz.
Get people out and about again.
Yeah.
Use shopping local.
Yeah.
But you're so right. I think that did really go away after COVID.
It
And
did.
it's slowly coming back, but this would be a boost
I think
to
so.
bring more people downtown.
Yeah, I agree.
So
So yes, so I would say stay tuned to see when that development breaks ground and what it's going to look like. We'll keep you posted,
yes.
and then let's go try and tour those.
Yeah, let's do it. And then we can tell
tomorrow.
everyone about it. I think that'd be a cool thing.
Yeah.
Just do some ground research.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Love it.
Thanks for tuning in.
Episode 6.
Episode 6, right along
See
real
you
estate.
next time.
Well,
Toodaloo. Yeah, what was that?
are we good?
I think so. I honestly kind of like us